I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Big one, no, don't do that. Limit that. It's big one, don't do it.
I found a shell.
Look, shell here, shell.
Wow, I found a shell too.
Oh, there's a lot of shell. You have shell also? There.
Whoa.
Oh, man.
There's
Oh,
one
here.
for you too. Oh,
Good
thank you.
one. This is a stone one. A lot of shell. Come on here. Come on here. Let's go here.
Okay. Wow, there's many.
Oh, there's many here. Look. A lot of, look, a lot of, look at that. A lot of stone. Oh, diba? There's a lot here. Go, a lot here. Give it. There's a lot here. Ah, it's coming. Come on. Oh man, there's a lot of shell here. Why? Oh, diba? Stone. Oh, this is a nice stone. Look, it's a nice stone. Diba?
So nice.
Oh, take them all. Take them all. Oh,
Whoa. I found a big one.
big one.
Very one.
Good job.
My puppy is almost full.
Oh, it's coming. Oi. Be careful. That's good. Oh, yeah. Be careful, huh? Okay. Don't. Kay Bel, ano malapit kay Bel?
I found a
Yeah. It's called egg hunting.
I found the egg.
It's not egg. Come on, Bella's there. Come on, let's go. Oh, nasa na yung egg? This one. This is egg? No.
No, that's an egg.
Wow.
Oh, that's an egg. No.
Ayun, may egg doon. Mommy's hand. Wait, Jewel, wait. Okay. Egg hunting start now. Go. Egg hunting. Go. Where's the egg? Yay! Another one.
Go to the other side.
Oh.
Go.
Ayun. Other side. Ayun. Go. Yes, good. Jewel. Yes. Here. Jewel. Ayun, may egg. This one. Oh, that one. Oh, that's one. Egg. Oh, egg. Oh, this one. Ayun. Oh, dami. Take. Ayun, doon. Inside. Jewel.
Come inside.
Go inside. Go.
Jewel, come inside.
Ayun.
There.
There. Oh.
Go.
Puno na. Hindi naman kasya eh. Ano pa?
Ben.
Jewel.
Jewel, there's another one. Jewel.
Ang dami wala.
Oh my God. Walang lalagyanan sa ating gym.
Ganda hulog.
Give it to daddy. Kunin mo na daddy. Ay, naku.
Ay, naku. Oo, puti.
Go to the sun. It's in there.
Oh.
Leave it here.
Oh, limit here. Go. Ayun si Belo.
You have to
Oh.
look here. Ben,
Go.
Look, the sun. Oh my God, come on, quick. In your shoes. It's okay. Okay, grabe na.
Okay.
Inside. Maybe inside. This inside. Under the mat.
Under the mat. Under the mat. Sa shoes. Sa shoes. Sa shoes.
Under the mat. Come on. Under everything under. Open the
Sa shoes. Sa shoes.
Open the mat.
Sa shoes. Ayan.
Open the mat.
Open the mat. Jewel, open the mat.
Open the mat. Oh my God! Oh my God! Under the cup.
Under the cup. Sa cup. Sa cup. Ay, other one. Other one.
Oh my God!
Ito, ano pa? Cup. Oh, big one. Ayun pa. Shoes na yan eh.
Diba nakapag-egg-hentayin pa sila? Welcome!
Alright.
Both of you winner.
Winner.
Was there a bunny who put all these eggs here?
Oh, dami oh. Puno ah.
Wow, that's amazing! You can share with Oh my God!
Oh, ito salat oh.
Maybe you can share with us!
Chocolate pa yan, pahingi. Oh, count, count.
Oh my
Count
God!
it.
Can I take picture of
Can I
it?
take you?
Egg hunting!
Wow, ang dami. Salat, Bel.
Oh my God! Oh my God, that's so amazing! Here! Put it!
Oh, lagay mo na sa ano.
Picture kita! 1, 2, 3! Look at
Put in
mommy!
your bag, Jewel.
Joe, look at mommy!
Open that one at the London. Yeah?
No, sit down, sit down. 1, 2,
Lagay mo sa bag, sa London
picture
open.
kita, Joel. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Picture tayo.
Oh, picture, picture. Lagay mo yun sa bag. Oh, picture, picture yan yung ano.
Take picture, Bella. Ate Bella, picture. Picture, please. Bella. Picture kayo, picture.
Picture.
1, 2, Bella.
Jewel, Jewel.
Show us your ano. Bella. Cut your basket. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Wow, Bella. Bella. Jewel. Hey.
Oh, ano mo lang lagay nyo na sa bag? Nag-egg hunting sila, Jewel, sa sand. Ay, mapapalo nyo sa video. Mapapalo sa video, egg hunting. Diba? Ayan, nanalo silang dalawa parehas. Thank you, guys. Yeah.
Video mo to. Mamaya yung typical na Cornish pastry.
Ano yan? Oh, di TikTok. Sige, sige. Ano yan?
We have this is a typical Cornish pastry.
Ano?
Wanna try? Let's try this
Let's try
one.
natin.
Well, very ano siya, original talaga from
Empanada.
Ito pala yung ano, from empanada siya pero they call it Cornish pastry. Ang ganda oh. Sarap. Ano kaya sa loob? Shall I slice it? Parang